But it's very close. He does act a lot like his mom in some ways. In a lot of ways. I love you, Mom Alicia. But he be acting like you. He get on my nerves. I love you.
So Mom get on your nerves? Huh?
Sometimes. I know I get on my nerves too. No, I be getting on your nerves sometimes. Well, I used to.
Mm-hmm.
We good now. We good. Alright.
No, wow, all the time.
Your mom know I love her.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What you said?
No.
I get on yours all the time. I just caught it. Who's your first pet? Was it the dog?
Yeah.
That your mama got rid of?
Sure enough did, you know. Boy, I can't tell you the story. Because that's a grim name. But yeah, her name was Kiki. And
not Kiki. Do you love me?
And she used to love me. Boy, I tell you, she used to love me, boy.
Who do I like better, my mother or father? That's a crazy question. I like both my parents.
I don't know, but if you had to pick.
I don't know what to pick.
You got to pick.
Nope.
If it's only two hands reaching, there's only one arm you can grab. Who can grab?
They're both gonna die.
Ain't that you just a selfish son? Hey, listen. One of y'all got to go. And she say both of y'all got to go.
I couldn't do it.
That'd be so funny. Your dad be like, big man. Your mom be like, no.
Let it go. Just let it go.
Your mom go try to kick your daddy in the
Look
face.
into my eyes.
Your mom go try to kick your daddy in the face. Get out.
They're probably both fall fighting.
Yes. Oh, yeah. I only got one person to pick.
I know. See, it's easy for you.
But what you stick your hand up for? I ain't even gonna sit and spin. What's my tricycle? Bicycle. Up there.
Who was my celebrity crush growing up?
You better be careful. Come on.
Christy the Million.
Ooh, I didn't know you get down like that.
I'm speaking for you.
Oh.
Yes.
If you watch this.
Jessica Alba. The girl off of Honey.
I didn't know her name. How you know her name?
Because I know her name.
Let me write where's my sketch pad?
What was the name of my first pet?
Oh, wasn't that Mop Dog? You said it was Mop Dog.
Mop?
Did you have the dog? It was tied up in the backyard.
A mop dog? I never told you that. Now who told you that? I never told you anything about a mop dog.
Listen, I think I had too many pieces of chicken.
You gotta be careful. I never told you nothing about no mop dog. Who told you that?
Who told me what?
I never had no mop dog. I didn't know what that is.
Oh. Somebody had a great mop dog.
Drowning and swimming in it, soaking in it, drowning in it, swimming in it, drowning.
Hola, welcome back to T&Leetv. Alright y'all, so today we are coming to you guys with another Hooters mukbang, but this time it's chicken wings. We have done one of these before, but we're doing another one because we do like the Hooters chicken wings with the Hooters sauce that you get from the store.
Yes.
It's always better to buy it yourself, like I said before. So let's go ahead and bless the food so we can get into it.
Lord, we'd like to thank you for this food, that no harm should come through this food, that this food is a blessing from you to us, and our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. So we have the nice seasoned fries right here. I know last time somebody said they couldn't see our plate.
Oh.
So what I was going to do was bake my plate and then move it out the way.
Okay.
Move this out the way so people can see. I was like, I'm sorry about that. I didn't think about it. I was just thinking about eating. So what you got to drink today?
I got Canada Dry, no caffeine. Okay, Zoom. There you go.
Then I have Pepsi, and then I have the rest of some water here, of course, with ice. And then we have ketchup, and then have a little bit of ranch in here that we can use if you want to. So we're going to go ahead and make our plate so we can eat. It was hot. Hot. Here's your napkin.
Thank you.
You're welcome. He went right for the wing I wanted.
Oh yeah.
We be eyeing the same wing, y'all. So I like the flats better, but I will eat the I'll eat these too.
I like the drums. I'm a drummer.
Yeah, he's a drum person, so.
I'm gonna give me a nice little potion.
So we can, how many get one?
For some reason they seem more water. Oh, cause I'm used to having it with batter.
Yeah.
These are without batter, guys.
Yes, no, these are non-breaded. So,
Non-breaded.
yeah.
Oh, it's a flavor different too.
Yeah, it is different. I like it though.
Yeah.
Tastes so good. Alright.
Too far.
You can move it out of the way now.
Okay.
Oh, whenever you're down. Shake it up.
Okay.
Yeah, you can push your connector now.
Yeah. Make sure I put them on the edge so everybody can see. No compliance. So how y'all doing tonight? What's up? What's happening?
Go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead.
So if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out the Epic Empire, PR Game, Muscle and Marriage, Prissy P.
Prissy P, Ray Sean, Mandy, and Keys. Check them out in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to their channels.
I made fries, but I was eating them out of there.
Really?
Yeah. I will.
Okay.
Pack your side up. So, I wanted to play something kind of like Razor, which was something while we eat.
Oh, that's my phone. You had your phone?
Mm-hmm. That's what we do.
I'll look up something. My phone. Yeah, I left it.
Oil change. I ain't doing. Don't ask that second window. That's,
huh?
I got two windows open.
Oh, I don't know.
Right
I don't know about that.
Okay. No accident about that.
Now what I was gonna do? I done forgot that he done took my concentration. Now I don't know what I was gonna look up. I forgot. I totally forgot because he started talking.
Well.
Okay, we'll come back.
Messing up stuff.
You said what?
When am I messing up stuff?
I'm gonna eat till I think of it. Oh, that's from my ketchup. They want that called now.
Ooh, juicy. I don't know if it's showing now. Is it blurry, guys? Or after bone?
That's good.
One thing I need to catch up. Because I actually put ketchup. And one thing I need.
You need it?
I don't think I do. Oh, sharing that ranch.
Oh, yeah.
Mine a long way away.
I just opened it.
They're frying now.
I was just over here trying to think of what I was finna do.
Look up again.
I know that. The game I was going, what I was finna look up.
A fun game. I think I got some gristle.
You said what?
I think I bet the gristle.
Oh, yeah. I'm spilling already.
Spill alert.
It never fails. I totally forgot what I was gonna look up. It's gone.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what this brings up.
Even though these are juicy and really tender, I think I still prefer mine with the bread. Do the with sauce.
Really? I thought last time you said you liked like this.
Maybe because I try to use the batter. I breaded the other ones. Maybe because I used the batter. But
maybe because you used the batter?
My custom batter. Instead of just using flour, I'm grinding it out.
Oh, it was? Okay, so I looked up how well do you know me, Terry?
Well, let's see.
Let's see how well he know me.
Oh.
Some of the stuff I'm not gonna ask because they get too personal.
Sometimes I don't think I know her.
It'll be fun for YouTube.
No!
Don't run for YouTube. When that camera go off.
I like that. Yeah, I like that.
What's my zodiac sign?
Capricorn. What's my zodiac sign? Oh,
a crab. It's a Cancer.
Mom.
Your mom is a Cancer. You're a crab too.
You heard that?
Well, she is a Cancer. So how many siblings do each one of my parents have?
Well, I know. 4.
Who has 4?
Your mom has 4, your dad has 3.
Wrong.
Yeah, you crazy.
Wrong. How am I crazy? I know my family.
How many siblings?
How many siblings does my parents have?
Oh, I was confused on the question. You said, I'm thinking how many siblings did you have? But, oh, I wouldn't.
Did I have, if you thought that's what I asked, why would you say my mom has 4 and my dad has 3?
No, what I said was, what I meant to say was, I thought you was meaning how many kids did your parents have?
Oh, so how many siblings does my parents have?
Oh, I don't think, yeah. How well do I know you or your family? What's the question?
How well do you know me? My family includes me.
I don't think that's...
Because you can ask me that and I can answer. So...
Mom's only... Mom.
How many siblings do they have? So how many brothers and sisters do they have?
Your mom has her auntie, your auntie is a sister. And then she have a brother Craig.
You don't have to name them. Just count.
1, 2, 3. I'm gonna combine both of them together or separately?
Each.
Each.
So how many does my mom have?
3. And your dad has a brother, a sister. I think I'm semi-right with your dad. I know your brother, your Uncle Willie. I mean, your uncle. And then your auntie. And then, I think it's 1 more. But if not, I'm going to say 3 and 2. I might be way off.
He is.
Might be.
My mom has 4 other siblings. And my dad has 5 other siblings. And his mom has 3 other siblings.
Yeah, it's simple. Mine was easy.
Exactly. But I knew it though. Mine was easy too. Alright. What town did I grow up in?
Grew up in as a what age?
I don't know. They don't say.
It's a trick question.
It doesn't specify.
Alright, well give me an age range.
You pick your one. Because you don't specify.
How many towns? I would say 2.
What town?
Oh, Miami and Jacksonville.
I would say kind of like 2 because I was born in Miami, Florida, and I lived there till I was 10 years old. And then I moved to Jacksonville, Florida, and from 10 till I became an adult, so I was grown then, so I grew up. There are 2, so I guess, yeah, both of them are right. What was the name of my elementary school? I almost choked on my drink. I almost choked because I already know what you're thinking. You better not. I already knew what he was thinking as soon as I asked. I knew he was going to start thinking stuff. Go ahead and say what you want to say.
What is it, the days of calendar? I don't know. I don't remember the name, but I remember you said it was a boy smoking cigarettes. Remember you said it was one who smoked cigarettes.
That happened when I was in middle school.
Oh.
Was that elementary?
Did you say elementary?
Maybe 5th grade.
Yeah, elementary then.
Yeah, but what elementary school did I go to though?
I don't remember.
Yeah, I went to a bunch of them because, of course, I went to elementary school in Miami, which was Olinda and Bella Elementary. But when I moved to Jacksonville, I was finishing my last year of elementary, which was Highland Elementary in Jacksonville. But I don't think he knew that. So what elementary school he went to? He went to Maximo.
No.
You told me you went there before.
No.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did tell me.
Melrose. That was behind Maximo.
You said you went to Maximo.
No.
And you went to Tyrone.
I went to Tyrone. I left Tyrone. I went to Sawgrass Lake. I left there. Then I went to Melrose, but the school was behind that because Melrose had lead. So they had moved the school behind Maximo. I said it was behind it in trailers or portables, whatever they call it.
I thought it was Maximo.
It was a whole school in portables. How did they do that to kids?
Hey, where my cat go?
No.
You
gotta be careful with that.
Why?
Screen broke, so it's gonna jump.
So why I gotta be careful? I ain't do it.
Because if you touch it by accident, it's gonna jump.
I didn't touch it by accident. It just did it on time.
Don't do that.
Okay. What did I like to do as a child?
Eat seeds off the ground.
What you said?
Eat seeds off the ground.
Shut up. Tell them.
As a child, you said you used to like to eat your boogers.
Why are you lying?
Oh, so you didn't say that?
No.
No, now it's a camera in front of us. You ain't say that. But I tell you, boy, see how people change? When the truth come out?
What did I do as a child? Better move that back so you have somebody say something.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I gotta re-up, man. Let me re-up. Come on now. Let me re-up. You don't want none of that, you know. Go on bones.
These wings are good, y'all.
Yeah, they are.
Wings are good.
What did you do as a child?
What did I like to do as a child? Leo, really?
You used to like to watch. When you say child, it could be anywhere under the age.
Just a child.
Okay. I used to like to watch Food Network all the time. I used to see you as you look through your blinds.
Really? You really did. You didn't even live in the same city as me. Hell no. What did I do as a child?
Eat ants.
Eat ants. We used to like collect grasshoppers. We used to call them hopper grass. No, we put them in a glass jar. We used to collect. They like
and watch them blow up.
There was real big ones. They were really huge in the backyard when we lived in Miami. They used to be all in like the bush, and we would like collect them. We weren't even scared of them. And there would be like a bunch of them in a glass jar. And then we left them outside, and we came back. It was fried. They were all fried.
Murderers.
They were crispy.
Murderers.
We didn't do it on purpose. We're sad.
Yeah, you did.
We were sad about it.
Yeah.
So what Lee liked to do as a child is eat.
Wow.
But isn't it true?
True, right? Wow.
He used to like to eat as a child. Lee was chubby, and he said they called him a garbage disposal or something.
Yeah, I used to be a garbage disposal. I used to eat everything, anything. If it was there, I ate it. Oh, I didn't eat little. I do anything. I did not eat little.
I play video game.
Yeah.
No.
I used to play that Nintendo 64.
We got a stalker.
Donkey Kong, Diddy Kong.
What are some chores I had to do growing up?
What's some chores?
Did I tell you about my chores we had to do?
You used to have to wash dishes.
Yes.
I think that's everybody's chore. I think that's a natural chore.
But it's like I had to do it. Why do I feel like I had to do it extra or something? I don't know.
Because you probably did it the best.
Yeah, I always felt like that. Maybe I did it how Jalina do it.
Mm-hmm.
And so I just felt like I don't know.
Mm.
So what did Troy? He had to do as a child everything. You had to wash the dishes, clean the house, scrub the floors. Did you have to scrub the baseboard? Did you have to do that, like get in his knees, or you had to do that?
Yeah, I had to do that when it was spring cleaner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this man can clean. Like when he wants to, he can really clean good. That's how I know he know how. He don't gonna do it if he don't want to do it.
Mm-hmm. Mom used to make me clean a lot. Make sure don't mess up a house.
Mm-hmm.
If you did, you clean everything. You have to wash the dishes. She take all the dishes out, all the cabinets.
Cause they make it seem like you ain't doing none of them right.
No, I'm talking about the dishes nobody ain't used in months. I'm talking about.
Your mom did that?
All the dishes.
Oh, that's what grandma did that.
In my grandma, that's where mom get it from.
Mm.
Yeah, man. Okay, you finna wash everything, and if you ain't doing it right, you don't want to do it. Okay, you finna meet Mr. Luther. Who's Mr. Luther? You don't want to know who Mr. Luther is. No, that's too late now. Now I know how to clean because I knew I met Mr. Luther.
All right. Am I more like my mother or my father?
Mm-mm.
What's wrong?
I think we one of those little veins. Oh, I'm sorry, that was a question for me. I thought you were just talking. I'm so sorry. That vein totally threw me off. You are more like, you kind of like both of them.
I agree.
Yeah, you like both of them.
In different ways.
Yeah, in different ways. But you walk like your daddy. Yeah, I got the same not knee.
And pair toes.
Your pair toe.
Yeah, he do. That's why I walk funny. Look like I'm twisting when I walk, but it don't feel like it. But when I watch it, like when I be watching stuff, I feel like, oh, I'll be walking kind of stink. I can't help it.
Way over half.
Shut up. Oh. Let's see. It's some more stuff. Let's see.
Let's see.
Asking, they be asking some stuff. Okay. So it says, oh, I didn't ask the question. Are you more like your mother and father? I don't really know how your father is. I feel like Lee is.
I don't even know how my father is.
Well, you know, from, you know, I don't know. So we don't know.
I don't know.
But Lee is a spitting image. He does, okay, I'm not going to say spitting, but it's very close. He does act a lot like his mom in some ways. In a lot of ways. I love you, Mom Alicia. But he be acting like you. You get on my nerves. I love you.
So mom get on your nerves? Huh?
Sometimes. I don't get on nerves too. No, I be getting on your nerves sometimes. Well, I used to.
Mm-hmm.
We good now. We good. Alright.
No, wow, all the time.
Your mom know I love her.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What you said?
No.
I get on yours all the time. I just called it. Alright. Would I rather spend a day with my parents or your parents? What kind of question is this?
Oh, because some people got really bad parents and I'd rather spend with somebody else. I can spend mine with mine.
Yeah.
Yours with yours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Are my parents still together? No, they are not. Still together.
I never knew my father.
They were together for a long time though, but they're not anymore. Once we got grown, or close to grown, they didn't stay together.
I don't think mine was never together.
Stop. I'm doing you so crazy.
If you out there. Oh, stop.
All right, he gonna call you.
He's gonna be on the door.
He gonna call you like you. I know you seen me calling you and turning my phone calls.
Correct.
Better stop doing your daddy like that.
Well, in the blinds. Get out the blinds.
What was my favorite subject in school? That was good.
Right off me. Let's get some start saying, babe.
You alright?
Almost choked. Sorry. Say it again, babe.
What was my favorite subject in school?
Because I had a joke when you said that.
You had a joke?
Yeah.
Why?
What's your favorite subject in school?
Yeah.
Lunch.
That's what they used to tell you then.
Yeah. Yep. They used to call me Cheeseburger at PE because I used to drop footballs back when I was in like, what, 6th grade. That's how I learned how to catch it and really good. They say, treat it like a cheeseburger. When you go out there, don't let it hit the ground. And ever since then, never let a ball hit the ground. But
I told you this before, so you should know.
yes, it was reading and lingo because you love to read.
English, reading, spelling, grammar, all that stuff.
Literature.
I don't know about literature. That was okay, but
I hated it.
I love English and spelling and all that language arts and anything to do. I like to read. I like reading. And I like all that stuff. Yours was math, right?
It was world history.
I thought it was math.
It was. It's math and world history.
Oh.
I got two.
In world history?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, I love history. I always watch the History Channel. I love history. Because you gotta know where you come from and where to evolve. And you gotta know them things. You got to.
What was my least favorite subject in school? Our best subjects are each other's worst subjects.
Yes.
Isn't that crazy? So not like I wouldn't say I wasn't good at math. I just felt like once it became to a certain point where, like, you know, when it gets into like algebra and geometry and all that kind of stuff,
numbers
and I'm just and all those, I'm just like in formulas and things like that. I just didn't see the point unless I was going into something like that, and I think I didn't see the point.
Mine was reading. I used to hate reading, hate literature, because I didn't like no poems. I wasn't poetic.
You're not poetic?
No poetic.
Hear ye, Juliet.
Find me in the back of the class with my chest pushed up. Sleep.
That's a shame.
Mr. Williams, get out. Wait, I'm woke. Whoa, don't tell Coach, I'm woke.
That's a shame. Okay. Have I ever performed on stage?
Don't tell them that. That's probably not.
Really? Seriously.
Yes, you have.
Oh, yeah.
Every Sunday.
Yes. Yes.
So you're awesome.
Thanks, honey.
You're welcome. I really like you want to kiss. You come in for a kiss.
Have Lee ever performed on stage? On stage? I don't know about on stage.
Yeah, back in my day.
What you did?
I used to be swinging that thing.
Really?
No.
I don't think he ever performed on stage. He been on stage. But not performing.
Perform. Oh, I did once. Well, a couple times, like in school, when you got to get up in front and perform your project. That's about it. I only had to do it because.
Oh, that's kind of like that's kind of like a presentation.
I'm on stage right now, so yes, I have.
Oh well, I guess so.
Yes, we have. We so slow.
See for yourself.
You ever that's that with you? I'm gonna sharpen it up on the plate.
Did you play any sports? Of course, he just said he played football. I didn't play sports, but when I was like in middle school, I was in cheerleading.
Cheerleading.
Am I close to my extended family?
This one, I think you want one of these. I don't know how many I ate.
Look good. You got little bones over there. You get full?
No, that's the thing about it.
You not get full?
I'm not getting full.
Am I close to my extended family?
Oh. Extended family, yes. Yes, you are. No, kind of, sort of.
Yeah, I am.
Your cousins and your stuff, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you are.
And Leah's too. Who is my oldest friend? Do you mean, when you say oldest friend, you mean the friend that had the longest or like the oldest in age? Do you mean the friend you had the longest?
Yeah, I would say that's what I would consider.
Yeah.
Or no, because it depends on how you're saying it, how it's been said.
Who is my oldest friend? I'll say my friend that had the longest.
Yeah, it depends who is the oldest person. Yeah, it's kind of a trick question a little bit, but I would assume who'd be your friend the longest. Or, yeah, no, I would have said it like that. Who been your friend the longest? Or who's the oldest friend you ever had?
No,
it's a tricky question.
We're just gonna go with the first one.
Okay, so Candace.
Yes, the friend I had the longest, my best friend Candace Smith. Oh,
police. Well, go check out our YouTube channel and check out our Twitter.
Candace.
Make sure you make sure you tell her that T&Leetv sent you. Send somebody blasting. Add her on the Twitter page, active.
Candace is my best friend. That you met her on the. She gotta come do another video with us. You met her on the pizza video.
Mm-hmm.
We've been friends
on the Gianni video.
I was 12 years old. It's been a long time. A really long time. They're trying to ask your age. Talking about what year did I graduate from high school. Next.
Me? I'm young. I graduated last year.
Okay. Am I close to my parents?
I would say so.
Yes. Yes, and yes. For both.
Oh, you got 3 parents?
For both. No.
I had to tell you.
I was like, yes for me, and then yes.
Oh. Okay, Lee fans to the bone. I guess they must have been good.
Do I have any siblings, and what's their name?
Yes, you do. You have 4. Oh, we have 3. I kind of do.
I have 3 siblings, and what's their name?
Keisha, Tasha, and Cedric. No,
yes.
Ced.
Yes, same thing. Oh. And then he has 4. Hold on, 4.
A lot of them now. Listen, it's the funny thing. I was the only child until I was 12 and almost 12 in like 2 months. And then Mama decided after she had a 12-year-old, she wanted to have a spree of kids. It went from 1
to multiplication.
She was 5 or 6, 5. 5.
So he has 4 brothers and sisters. Well, 1 sister and brothers.
She would have 1 from 5 in like 10 years.
Isaias, Marjay, Promise, and Aiden. Yes.
And I'm gonna be 40-something. They just gonna be 20-something.
I don't think she thought she was gonna have no more kids.
Yeah, I think.
But I knew it when I was like.
And she started popping them out like Skittles out her bag.
Okay. And then as far as, oh yeah, you named mine.
Oh yes, I did.
Are my grandparents still alive?
Yes.
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 Me. One of them are.
Yeah, 1 for me too, because last year was a pretty tough year for me.
Yes. So, how do I feel about your parents? Oh, how do I, this vice versa?
Oh, yeah, I love your parents, man. They cool.
Yes, I love his mother. So,
just not staged to prompt, guys, don't worry.
Yeah, because if it was, I wouldn't answer. I'd have been like...
She probably would have just skipped over the question.
Yeah, I probably would have. Definitely would have. We ain't about that drama.
Because you skip right over the question is, do you love me? And you skip right over that one.
No, I did.
See, gotcha. See, I didn't even know the question.
If I didn't love you, I wouldn't be on this thing with you.
Oh, really? Oh, well, what they said.
Who do I like better, my mother or father? That's a crazy question.
Oh, no.
I like both my parents.
Well, no, but you had to pick.
I don't know what to pick.
You got to pick.
Nope.
If it's only 2 hands reaching, there's only 1 arm you can grab. Who can grab?
They're both gonna die.
Ain't that you just a selfish son? Hey, listen. One of y'all got to go. She said both of y'all got to go.
I couldn't do it.
That'd be so funny. Your dad be like, big. Your mom be like, no,
let it go. Just let it go.
Your mom go try to kick your daddy in the face.
Look into my eyes.
Your mom go try to kick your daddy in the face. Get out.
They're probably both fall fighting.
Yes. Oh, yeah. I only got 1 person to pick.
I know. See, it's easy for you.
But what you stick your hand up for? I ain't even get a sitting spin. What's my tricycle? Bicycle. Don't tell me.
Who was my celebrity crush growing up?
You better be careful. Come on.
Christina Milian.
Ooh, I know you get down like that.
I'm speaking for you.
Oh.
Yes.
If you watch this.
Jessica Alba. The girl off of Honey.
I didn't know her name. How you know her name?
Because I know her name.
Let me write one more word in my sketch pad. What's that guy? What's that guy's name? Well, I know you like that song.
What?
You like it slow. That guy name. Tone. What's that guy name?
That's H-Town, but no. My celebrity crush when I was young
was Chocolate.
Y'all know who I used to like, and I used to think he was so cute.
What is it? Go ahead.
Kel.
Of Canon Kel?
Mm-hmm. I did. When I got older.
You don't like orange soda?
No, it wasn't from that movie. It was, well, it is when. No, orange soda is from.
The sitcom. Kenan and Kel.
It's from Good Burger, ain't it?
No. Kenan and Kel. Who love orange soda?
And they didn't Good Burger?
Orange soda.
Okay.
Because Kenan worked at the gas station.
That is true. I used to love that show. I watched it. I was so in love. I was so in love with the intro when they used to come on like to the little song that was rapping and used to be dancing. I don't know why I thought he was just so cute.
And like, they brought it back for a little bit. I was so happy.
They did.
They brought it back for a little bit.
I know that. Yeah, why was I so happy? Then I grew up and I look back. I was like, oh, you can tell when you just think stuff because you're young.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more.
Yeah.
What was the name of my first pet?
Oh, wasn't that Mop Dog? You said it was a Mop Dog.
Mop?
Did you have the dog? It was tied up in the backyard.
Mop Dog? I never told you that. Now who told you that? I never told you anything about a Mop Dog.
Listen, I think I had too many pieces.
You gotta be careful. I never told you nothing about no Mop Dog. Who told you that?
Who told me what?
I never had no Mop Dog. I didn't know what that is.
Oh. Somebody had a great Mop Dog. Okay. Do you have a pet? His name Tito. Kudo.
His name was Tubby.
Tubby. That's his name, Tubby.
Our first pet. Ooh,
Tubby used to be always stink one. He run around the house with flies.
Our first pet was Tubby. We loved him. I don't know what happened to Tubby. I'm gonna ask my dad what happened to him. I don't remember.
Tubby ran away.
Daddy, did you drop him off around the corner?
Drop him off. No.
I don't know what happened to him, seriously. But Tubby was my first pet, and I loved him so much. Who's your first pet? Was it the dog?
Yeah.
That your mama got rid of?
Sure enough did, Boy, I can't tell you the story. Because that's a grim name. But yeah, her name was Kiki. And
not Kiki. Do you love me?
And she used to love me. Boy, I tell you, she used to love me, boy, because they dropped her off in they drove 2 cities away. They drove her off all the way, like at the church, and she ran back home.
Aww.
Yeah, that's a long way from the church all the way here.
Yeah, that's
especially it takes us 15 minutes in the car. So a dog on foot would be like an hour, 2 hours.
Okay, it's one more question, and then I'm done. It says, "Is my family religious?" Religion is different. So no, not religious, but we do have faith. We do have our faith, because religion is based on man, rules and this and that. If you're this religion, you can't do this. It's not really what God said. So no, but we do have relationships with God. Yes, all my family. Well, most of my family.
Well, that sounds like you just trying to sugarcoat high so.
I was thinking about when I said that, I was thinking about my mom and dad.
I see a little horns come out your head.
I was thinking about my mom and my dad, so that's what I was thinking about. But I don't know about my whole family. People.
My family, are they Christians or are they not?
Yeah. So, if we're talking about, okay, let's speak on this family.
We're Christians.
Yes. So
we're not the not part.
Yeah. So, Alrighty, so that was it for our How Well Do You Know Me tag. I gotta look up some more stuff because I need to find out how much this man really knows who I am. I need some more juicy questions.
I don't know. We might not even need no food. We might just need to just go and do it.
Whenever, but we gotta do another. If y'all like this type of tag, thumbs up the video so we know.
Boom, thumbs up this video.
Like this. Because we like doing them. It's kind of fun, and then it brings up things that maybe we haven't talked about in a while, and it's really fun. Really, you're showing them your bones.
Yeah, look at them baby bones.
These my bones.
Baby bones.
Alright, y'all, this was so much fun. We appreciate you joining us. And don't forget to leave a comment down below letting us know how you like this video. Don't forget to share this with everyone that you know.
Everybody, all your social media.
So we can continue to bring you more content because T&Lee.
It's the place to be.
It's just the place to be. It's just what it is. Alright, y'all, until the next video.
Peace.
Peace.